हाय एवरीवन, मेकअप एंड ब्यूटी चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज का जो वीडियो है उसका मेन फोकस है हेल्थ, और मेरे चैनल में हार्डली ऐसा कोई वीडियोस है जहाँ पे मैंने शेयर किया है कोई हेल्थ वीडियोस। आई जस्ट थॉट दैट व्हाई नॉट आई शुड टॉक अबाउट दिस पार्ट ऑल्सो इन माई चैनल। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज का जो वीडियो है उसे शुरू करने से पहले एक बात मैं आप सबको बताना चाहती हूँ कि आज का जो वीडियो है वो टोटली बेस्ड है ऑन माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस यूजिंग अ न्यूट्रिशनल सप्लीमेंटरी प्रोडक्ट। सो बिफोर यू स्टार्ट कंसिडरिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट दैट ये आपके लिए सही है या नहीं, आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू टू प्लीज कंसल्ट योर डॉक्टर एट फर्स्ट बिफोर आप ऐसा कोई भी सप्लीमेंटरी ले, बिकॉज ऑल द रिजल्ट ऑफ मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स वेरी फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन। क्या पता कोई भी प्रोडक्ट जो मुझ पे सूट करता है वो आप पे सूट ना करे। So before starting this video and before talking about this product, I would highly recommend you all, please कोई डॉक्टर से आप पहले कंसल्ट कर लीजिए, because it is all about intaking some medicines. So you never know that which medicine is going to work on your body and which is not. It is very important to know your body first. So yes, this is the part of disclaimer before I start this video. Now let's start today's video. Today's video is all about sharing my personal experience using ZENITH Nutrition Magnesium Glycinate. Now this is a nutritional supplementary product that I have been intaking for few of my health reason. So let me first show you this product. So ये है 60 tablets of ZENITH Nutritional Magnesium Glycinate which is priced ₹640, और ये आपको जेनिथ के पर्सनल वेबसाइट पे मिल जाएंगे। Now this magnesium glycinate claim to manage blood sugar in people with diabetes and may lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It maintains the normal heart rhythms. It reduces the symptoms of PMS. It relieves us from anxiety. It promotes bone health. So this is actually one bottle of nutritional supplement all from ZENITH Nutrition. Actually my family have a diabetic history. My dad is a diabetic, so it is always necessary for me to keep check my sugar level, and that's why I always try to maintain a strict lifestyle so that my blood sugar level always remain in control. But you know that with the growing age it always become a tendency that your family have a diabetic history. There is a high chance that you can be diabetic also. So that actually make me think that I should start taking some nutritional supplements so that it helps me to control my blood sugar level throughout my life. And that's why after consulting my doctor I decided to try out this ZENITH Nutrition Magnesium Glycinate. Moreover, this nutritional supplement also help to normalize the heart rhythm. Although I don't have any heart related problem in my family, but in case you have something like that, you can also try out this nutritional supplement. This supplement is also good for us women who actually face so much pain during our PMS. My PMS is always very painful. When it PMS, I just can't sit properly. I just feel like to be on my bed throughout the day. But when you have work, you just can't sit like that, so you need something. And I don't believe that taking medicine or painkillers during periods to reduce those cramp is actually very healthy. So I decided to go for something that can regulate or can reduce my PMS pain. So I would say that this nutritional supplement has also helped me to reduce that PMS pain, और ये also आपके exercise performance को भी amplify करता है. And yes, I have a deficiency of magnesium, and that's why I always face some cramp on my legs, and that is totally unbearable. So now the question is, when I have magnesium deficiency, then why I am not taking magnesium, but instead I am taking this nutritional supplement Magnesium Glycinate? Well, the reason of taking this Magnesium Glycinate is just because that Magnesium Glycinate easily absorbed in our body compared to all other magnesium supplements. Moreover, magnesium also absorbs in our body in this form very easily, which means that this magnesium glycinate is very comfortable on our stomach compared to only magnesium supplement. and that's why I would say that if you have deficiency of magnesium, or if your family have a diabetic history, or if you have heart related problems, or if you are facing PMS pains, then I would say that do consult your doctor and start taking this Zenith Nutrition Magnesium Glycinate, and I think it might bring a change in your lifestyle. तो ये तो हो गया सारी किताबी बातें that how magnesium glycinate help our body or whether it is good to intake or not. Now the question is how to take it. Well, this magnesium glycinate have 60 tablet in this one container, so all you need to take only one tablet per day after your meals. This is the normal intaking dosage of these nutritional supplements, but as I told you earlier that do consult your doctor. You never know, you might need 2 of these tablets once in a day. It is very important that you should consult your doctor and show this product and ask them whether this product is good for your health or not. Although Zenith Nutrition is an 11 years old company that have varieties of supplements on vitamins, minerals, standardized herbal concentrates and amino acid, and if you check on internet this company on Google, then you can find out that it has a large numbers of reviews about their products on internet. So I am not saying that you should believe on each and every reviews that has been done on internet, but I would say that this product helped me a lot in my lifestyle, and that's why I am doing this video sharing my experience using this product, so that if you are facing this kind of problem, you can also consult with your doctor and you can start taking this nutritional supplement all from Zenith Nutrition. So this is all about my personal experience using Zenith Nutrition Magnesium Glycinate tablets, and I just wanted to share my experience with you all and how much benefit I got from this product. So yes, that's complete my today's video over Zenith Nutrition Magnesium Glycinate, and I hope you like this video and find it helpful. Comment below if you have any queries regarding this video. I will try to answer as much as I can, and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish. Bye.